Den zweiten Workshop, den wir hier vorstellen, hat René Staebler geleitet.
In another workshop, René Staebler is going to give a presentation. His own work you are able to admire in the Kuma venue. So please tell us about these works and your creative process. Well, obviously the point of departure are windows. This was mentioned in the Hitchcock's movie A View Through the Window. We were thinking what we were going to see if we were looked outside of the window for a longer period of time. The idea was that the participants look through a window, or they appear in a window in the place where they live, and they start notice something that was not there originally. And we were looking for a place in Frankfurt to execute this project, and we found an interesting place, and we started to interpret it in a way in which it hadn't been interpreted in the past, even if just by changing the angle of view. It started as a distorted project, but we come across a crossroads when something is happening. Then we go to another place, and we end up in another crossing, but this time above it, on a bridge around the Collegium Polonicum, and through the windows of the bridge, and the pictures were taken. It's not edited, it was not post-edited. This is what looking through a few layers of glass really looks like. It was a very diversified project, so I said, fine, may everyone work with their own vision. It was a weekend class. We wondered what we will achieve, and we were able to conceive various interpretations. Some people had different ideas, which they fulfilled. Some of them were looking for the motives in the process, and various works resulted from the process. A few words of comment. Because of the pandemic, some of the workshops were held entirely online. This year we started with some initial meetings with René, who explained to us the concept through Zoom in a video conference. So we had an opportunity to think about our works during holiday. I would also like the participants of René's workshop to come forward and introduce themselves to the audience. Dariusz Olechno. Nina Skrzypacz. Help me, Tomasz Fedyshin, is he with us? Everyone's upstairs. Oh yeah, media. Uta Kurzwelle. Who else? Darek is coming. Dariusz Olechno, Tomasz Fedyshin. Who else?
Emilka Kusz.
Emilka Kusz.
Emilka Kusz jest z nami.
Emilka Kusz, are you with us?
Tak, dobrze. No to już nie ma tu wszystkich. Tak, proszę bardzo.
Tomasz Fedyshin.
Tomek Fedyshin.
Tomek Fedyshin.
Jest Karolina Kończyńska.
Karolina Kończyńska.
Anna Łysiak.
Anna Łysiak.
Drodzy Państwo, no niestety nie cała grupa, ale
unfortunately the entire group couldn't make it, but at least we can see some of the faces of those who created these works.
Tak jak przypomnę, w sali będą
I would like to remind you that films are going to be viewed in the rooms. I also participated in the workshops. There is one of my films are included, and a round of applause for the artists.